Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. This is Jaffer. So in this video we are going to design an HMI for the function block we have created it, right? So before doing anything, we just go to add a new device and we are going to add HMI. We are going to choose display 9 and the first one, okay? Done. We have added our HMI and now we are going to make a connection between our HMI and the CPU. We can also configure our HMI here, but we do not. We just click on finish. Our HMI is added now, okay, to our project. We go to device and configuration. Excuse me, device and networks. We click on connection. We drag on our PLC and we drop on our HMI. Now we have an intern connection between our HMI and CPU. We go to our HMI. Before we do that, we go to screen management, templates, we click on template 1. We open it. We delete everything on this screen. Control A, delete, done. And now we are going to our root screen. So we have a tank. This tank has a motor. We have high level, we have the low level, and we have the alarm, high level alarm. Let me put the pump here and the high level alarm there. So we give it a name. This is high level alarm. So when the tank is full of water, you get an alarm, right? And when this is our pump 1, and this is high level, and this is the low level. All right, so and request filling, right? Request filling. We make also, we give it at the top an M to make our HMI a little look great. So filling tank system. We make it a little bigger, 21, done. So high level, we are going to connect our appearance. We just remove the marks because at this moment we do not need all those. I will just bring it to 2, it should be enough. Scale point, we just say we don't need that one. Okay, so far it's like a tank, and this is our high level, and this is our low level. We put here this, and the pump we put here, and let me do that. Okay, just to make it a little beside this. So this one also here. Done. All right. So when the high level is activated, it means this button should light and this motor should off and these two should be off. Okay, let's connect our. So we go to events, we press, we invert the bit, edit bit, invert the bit. Okay, we do it manually because we do not have a physics system. And we go to the program blocks, we take our tank 1. In our tank 1, we have the high level sensor. Okay, and now we have the low level sensor. Low level sensor, right? And now we have filling request. Go to animation, appearance, filling request. Come on. Function. We go to our blocks. My first function block, we tag filling request. Change the color to green. Power pump as well. Appearance. Pump 1. Right. Change the color. And this was our alarm. We also do the same. The first function block, and it was high level alarm. Okay. We are also going to this one, high level appearance, and we add the high level. We take beta because of the text, and low level. Low level. Done. Now, let's go online. Our PLC is online. We start our HMI. Okay. We also go online there. So now the high level alarm is on. It means the pump is full and we have also the high level activated. So when we deactivate the high level, it means there is no water inside the tank. Filling request turned on, pump 1 is turned on to fill the tank. Okay, So there is no water. When there is a little water inside the tank, it means the low level also turned to green. There is some water. And deactivate the high level, the low level, it will fills. And the tank is full, it will say tank is full, pump is off, request filling. It doesn't request anymore to fill because the high level also is already turned on. So this was our HMI. So we have created our HMI, we have connected our HMI to our function block. But as I told you that we need the bits, the system and clock memory bits to make some animation. So right now at this moment we do not have any water moving, right? When the pump is on, we do not see anything, right? So let's do that. To do that, we go offline. Okay, doing this, I will add a function, add a new block of function, and we will call it water animation. Then, and for our water animation, we use our counter up, right? We call it water animation counter. Done. Okay. When we request filling, the pump should turn on and the water should move toward upwards in the tank, right? So filling request tank is activated, and here we are going to use our clock. This one, let me go to device and configuration. We go to select our CPU and we go to this place and we enable the use of clock memory bytes. Okay, and now since we have activated them, they are all here automatically, and we choose this one. We go to our function and PLC tags, default tags here. Okay, so here we use also, this is our counter. Okay, reset. And here we use like 500. Down. Okay. And now what we are going to do is very simple. OB1, we are going to call our function to OB1, otherwise it is not working. And now we are going to our root screen. We tap on our tank. We just put here 500 and we connect the tag. It was counter TV, right? Okay, let's make a download. Okay, we go online. You see, when the filling request and pump is on, the water moves up. You see, it takes its time, but because we haven't used the fastest, but let me make it a little faster. When we go to tank and we use just this one, okay. Every change needs a download, right? And now it's faster, right? Okay, go, 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 go. So when it's up to high level, the tank is full of water, you see? But at this moment, I will do it manually. Done. You see, when the high level is activated, you will get an alarm and the pump is stopped, the filling request is stopped. So this was our project, our today's video, our today's training video, and I thank you very much for watching this video. Like and share this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will catch you back in the next video. Have a great day.